That's all there is to making Sodaburst. Sodaburst, the real ice cream soda that makes itself at home in 1 minute cold. Here's where you keep it, and here's how you make it. Just pop Sodaburst in a big glass. Add plain tap water. That's all. Then let her bubble. In 1 minute, you've got a good old-fashioned ice cream soda. Big, healthy scoop of vanilla ice cream. Real soda fountain fizz. Gobs of flavor and lots of fun. Who likes Sodaburst? Who doesn't? It's the real ice cream soda that makes itself at home in 1 minute cold. Black and white or strawberry flavors in the ice cream freezer at your store. Sodaburst. You know it's good. The little bird's eye tells you.